if you can see that, but there's little droplets of water on there. Kind of cool looking. Have the umbrella out, although kind of stopped raining for now. I'll be back with you. There's kind of a cool view walking today. So hello everybody. Hope this finds you in good health. Gonna go up my mountain here. Unlike Ohio, which is pretty flat, we do have rolling hills here in Michigan. Go blue. So today's configuration is that I did not put the rubber bands on my jeans, and I am using the lavalier mic, and yes, that's a siren, which is probably going to one of the homes that are in this neighborhood. Here, quite a few ambulance runs in the last week, and hopefully it's not that virus. And I have seen a lot of the people that I'm following on the AT right now who decided to get off trail, and there's one or two others that I'm following that are still on trail, although right now I would think it'd be pretty hard to resupply and stay in a hostel with a lot of the hostels closing down, hopefully temporarily. So I'm still hoping that in 60 days, or now less than 60 days, that I can go back, go on trail, and start my hike. It's still kind of up in the air. This is a nature center over in that area. And only seeing a few people out hiking or walking today. So hope this finds you in good health. Alright, so probably a lot of you are noticing my glasses. They are in my hat. So these glasses are sport glasses, and I decided to get these because going on the Appalachian Trail, I thought it would be a good idea to have some glasses that would kind of protect the lenses in case you drop them. So I bought these sport glasses. I got the transition lenses. They're polarized. They're progressive. So basically, I had LASIK done about 10 years ago, and the LASIK is still holding out. So my transition lenses are basically clear on top with no correction, and then on the bottom they're corrected for reading, because even with LASIK, as you get older, you have to have reading glasses. So that's what these are. But I made an emoji that sort of looks like me with the hat and the glasses, the port glasses. Alright, I'm about halfway through my walk of the day. Trying to keep in shape in case I do get back out on the trail. It's a nice little stream in our neighborhood. I especially like the roof there, a little light in there. It's pretty cool. So can you tell that we got a little bit of rain here recently? Thought I would leave you with this nice sound.